This is how it looks at the bottom. This is the heating element. It's right here, kind of centered, and it heats really uniformly from the tip here to the edges. It's the same temperature. This one, it's a bit different design, but again, compare. This is the center, this is the edges, so the element it's right in the center. You can actually at least wash in water. I'm not sure if you should submerge this in water. However, the control piece needs to be removed. This, it's not washable. It says on the back of it, do not wash it. I'm not sure if camera will focus properly. Let's give it one more chance. From different angle maybe. Anyhow, it says on it, do not submerge in water this part here. However, you can submerge in water, not submerge, but at least wash, because this kind of elements, I'm not sure they are sealed in there. Yes, they look to be sealed. The hole in the center is for the thermostat, if you want. But in theory, these are sealed. Just let it dry overnight, and just let it, maybe flip it like this so the water leaks out from this element, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. We have this stamp. Sorry for the camera, it's not it's a phone camera, and the phones are really bad with shiny surfaces close up. So I'll read for you. It's CSA SA. So this is kind of older stamp approval for electric equipment, and it says 1400 watts, 115 volts, AC only, use with wall or range outlet only, remove supply cord before washing, made in Canada at the bottom. This one is similar here. It says Western appliance. That one is not a Western, it's different. 1415 watts, 120 volts, AC only, used with control AMC 01. Remove control before washing. The branch and the rest is French, and again it says Canada at the bottom. And yes, I think these are nice appliances. Depends what you need them for. This one had a quality control which read 07, but I don't think it's the year 07, because this looks to me older. I don't think Canada was producing such items in 2007 any longer. All manufacturers were shipped to China back then. Anyhow, yes, so I think these are useful for what I'm doing, the pita bread. Maybe it's useful for something else. Pita bread, as long as these are the right temperature, and the pita, the bread, but the dough is properly floored, has flour on it, is not sticking in your hand, they don't stick. However, anything else, I don't know. So, but if you find them at the thrift stores, depends on the place. They sell for maybe, depends on the place again, $5–10. Why? Because nobody wants them. Nobody wants them, and it, I think, really valuable. And also, I think they are very durable, not cheap made. And again, like I said, I did open this. It's only 3 screws, Phillips. And you'll see it's all mechanical contact inside, and the copper contacts, they are quality copper. It's not like toasters, that news toasters at some point, bread toasters, sliced toasters, right? At some point they won't hold down. Why? Because the copper contacts are very cheap made. They oxidate, they burn, they are very tiny. They burn the contact between the two pieces, and they no longer make electrical contact. This is very different, they're very strong made inside. Again, this one cannot be washed, right? That's important. You get water inside, it's not sealed, and then you are going to get a fire in your home, or at least you will pop your panel, fuse panel, make some smoke. So nice and not heavy. Look, just again, this one is big. It's big. This is the only time I've seen one of this round. It's like this big to pour anything. The brand on this thing. Temperature guide. Immersible. If it says immersible, I guess that means submersible, right? In water, I'm guessing. Toast this.